Assalamualaikum, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search PCs and open filing cabinets in Roblox Wanted. This video will be super helpful for beginners to complete their daily missions. If you like it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First, I'll show you how to open filing cabinets. You will often see these drawers around the Syndicate Base or nearby locations. Opening these drawers is what you need to do. Finding just one cabinet is enough. You can head over to the Syndicate Base, or you can also find these drawers when you are searching PCs. A single cabinet usually has 2 drawers. Just keep opening and closing them repeatedly. Doing this on just one cabinet will count towards your total and complete all 10 requirements. So that covers how to open the filing cabinets. Now let us search the PCs. To search PCs, you need to head over to the bank area. Once you arrive at the bank area, if you come towards this side, you will see the Oasis City news station. Head inside, and right here you will find several PCs to search. There are 2 PCs on the main floor and more upstairs on the second floor. When you go upstairs after searching here, you will also see more cabinets that you can open as well. As you can see, I have searched the PC and my daily mission is now complete. Thank you for watching.